The best survival gear and gadgets are designed to keep you safe and prepared in any situation. From multi-tools and fire starters to emergency food supplies and portable water filters, these products offer reliability and convenience when you need them most. Lightweight, durable, and easy to use, they ensure you're always ready. In this video, we recommend the 7 best survival gear and gadgets, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. VEITORLD Survival Gear. The VEITORLD 12-in-1 Survival Gear Kit is the ultimate gift for outdoor enthusiasts, designed to be both practical and thoughtful. Perfect for Father's Day, this versatile kit includes a wire saw, water bottle clip, emergency blanket, Flintstone scraper, flashlight, and more. With all the essential tools packed in a compact waterproof box, it's ideal for hiking, camping, fishing, backpacking, or any adventure. This kit ensures you're always prepared for any emergency with gear that's reliable and functional. The multi-use spoon and fork add extra convenience, while the high-quality construction promises durability. A perfect gift for men, women, teens, or anyone passionate about outdoor exploration. Whether it's for Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, or Christmas, this kit makes an excellent and practical gift. Plus, with exceptional customer service, VEITORLD ensures your satisfaction, making this survival kit a must-have for any adventurer. Number 6. Verifygear Survival Kits. The Verifygear 17-in-1 Survival Kit is a must-have for any adventurer, offering a range of essential emergency gear in a compact, lightweight package. This kit includes a waterproof box, compass, flashlight, knives, wire saw, multi-use spork, fire starter, first aid blanket, and more. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, each item is built to withstand harsh conditions and ensure long-lasting performance. Perfect for hiking, camping, fishing, or any outdoor activity, this kit is designed to provide the tools you need in emergency situations. Its compact size allows for easy storage in a backpack, car, or even on a mountain bike, making it an ideal companion for any adventure. Whether for survival, outdoor exploration, or as a thoughtful gift, the Verifygear 17-in-1 Survival Kit is an essential addition to your gear collection. Number 5. TRSCIND Survival Kit. The TRSCIND 14-in-1 Survival Kit is a versatile and compact gear set designed for outdoor enthusiasts. It includes essential tools such as a flashlight, fire starter, wire saw, multifunctional card, paracord bracelet, water bottle clip, tungsten pen, and an emergency blanket. The kit is housed in a waterproof and shockproof case with a sponge interior, ensuring the tools are protected during travel. Ideal for activities like camping, hiking, hunting, and fishing, this kit provides over 1,000 combined uses, making it a reliable companion in various outdoor scenarios. Its lightweight design allows for easy attachment to a mountain bike or belt, enhancing portability for adventurers on the move. With its comprehensive tool selection and durable construction, the TRSCIND Survival Kit stands out as a practical gift for men who appreciate outdoor activities. Number 4. LUXMOM Survival Kit. The LUXMOM 28-in-1 Survival Kit is a comprehensive emergency gear set designed for outdoor adventurers. It includes 21 multi-purpose survival tools and 106 pieces of first aid equipment, ensuring you're fully prepared for any situation. Key items include a hatchet, folding shovel, flashlight, survival bracelet, wire saw, fishing tools, and fire starting tools, providing everything needed for various outdoor activities. The compact and lightweight kit is neatly organized in a 600D nylon bag, measuring 9 by 6 by 5 inches, and features mall-compatible straps for easy attachment to other gear. Ideal for camping, hiking, car travel, and more, this survival kit guarantees safety and readiness in emergencies. A great gift for men, dads, husbands, or anyone who loves outdoor adventures, this survival kit offers peace of mind and reliable protection. Number 3. XKASE Survival Kit. The XKASE 19-in-1 Survival Kit is an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast. This all-in-one kit includes a 5-in-1 parachute cord bracelet, whistle, built-in compass, thermal blanket, and more, ensuring you're ready for any emergency. Weighing just 1.8 pounds and measuring 8.2 by 5.1 by 2.7 inches, the compact and lightweight design fits easily into your car, hiking backpack, or camping gear. Its waterproof and shockproof foam interior keeps your equipment safe during rugged outdoor activities. Ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, hunting, and other adventures, this kit offers practical tools that ensure safety and preparedness. A perfect gift for fathers, husbands, boyfriends, or anyone who loves the outdoors, this survival kit provides peace of mind during outdoor activities. Number 2. ASTNES Survival Kits and Equipment. The ASTNES 14-piece survival kit is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Packed with essential tools like a survival knife, fire starter, tactical pen, flashlight, and wire saw, it's perfect for hiking, camping, fishing, and more. This compact, multifunctional kit fits easily into a backpack, car, or bike, providing reliable tools for emergencies. The waterproof box keeps your gear safe and dry, ensuring it's ready when needed. A great gift idea for fathers, husbands, or boyfriends, this survival kit makes an excellent stocking stuffer or birthday present. With all the essentials in one kit, it's an indispensable companion for any adventure. Number 1. Abpir Survival Kits. The Abpir 13-in-1 Survival Kit is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. With essential tools like a survival bracelet, tactical pen, compass, flashlight, and flint stone, it's designed for camping, hiking, and backpacking. This high-quality kit is made from military-grade materials, ensuring durability and reliability in any situation. The compact waterproof box makes it easy to carry in a backpack, car, or even fasten to a bike or belt. A great gift for dads, husbands, or friends who enjoy outdoor adventures, it's a practical and thoughtful present. Ideal for a wide range of outdoor activities, this survival kit ensures safety and preparedness wherever you go. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.